It's Tuesday tips, and I have an interesting one for you today. It's blustery here on Block Island. It's fall, and fall means fall charcuterie boards and things like that before football games. And so when you're doing a fall charcuterie board, very often you have apples on the charcuterie board. And the problem is, if you want to make the charcuterie a little bit in advance and you slice your apples, they turn all brown while they sit. So I'm going to give you a tip today on how to keep your apples from turning brown so they're bright white and beautiful on your charcuterie. So what I'm going to do is I just cut these up, and I'm going to leave a few of them on my board, and then I'm going to put a few others for the purpose of this video. I'm going to put them in a glass so that we can see through. You can put them in a bowl or whatever. And to keep these from browning, these guys, we'll do 4 and 4. Boop. And the tip is Sprite, a can of Sprite, not even a whole can. Some people use lemon juice. I think this works better, but we're basically going to submerge the apples in Sprite, and it's going to keep them from browning, keep their flavor, keep them nice and crisp until you're ready to serve your charcuterie. So I'm going to go and make an apple crisp or something, and then when I come back in a couple of hours, we're going to see these puppies all brown, and these guys are still going to be gorgeous and white. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. It's been a few hours. You can see it's starting to get dark out. It's not actually that late because we're just about heading into daylight savings time. But my apples have been sitting out for probably 3 or 4 hours now. And you can see first of all, the texture is not even nice. It's really hard to see because of the light, but you can see they're brown and they've got kind of like almost a leathery texture. The ones that sat out. Can you see that? Yeah, you can kind of see that, how he's browning, and it's all kind of flimsy. Anyway, you can even see it on the cut half here where he's gotten all brown. And my guys, who I put in to my Sprite, are crisp and white and beautiful, and there's no flimsy. Oops. Hold on. Look at the difference. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can. Like there, that kind of shows it there. That kind of gets the light. Anyway, that's the tip of the day. Use some Sprite if you want to keep your apples crisp and white for your charcuterie or any other reason that you're gonna, cut them up. Even if you wanted to, like for your kids' lunch, cut up apples the night before, put them in the Sprite, and then pack their lunch the next day, and they're going to have nice crisp apples at lunchtime, but also for your charcuterie, which is more my speed. Well, anyway, that's the tip of the day. I hope you had a great one, and I will have a new tip for you next Tuesday. See ya. Bye-bye.